Alright, family, we're going. So basically, I don't think I'm going to keep you guys long, but I have two things to say. One, this week I lost like 3 out of 5 of the trades. That's one. Two, so I'm gonna also watch 876 Roommate. Me have the link down there, so it's not public, but I'm get the plug on my can. So when you can watch it and do whatever. But with that said, you open up a good day and let's begin. Plus, I'll show you guys on my phone as well, not just the charts, so you can get like a little more like in-depth perspective of how I go on. So remember, say we did the 250. Yeah, I'm gonna think maybe because I'm probably just new. I wouldn't say new, but just been a while. You see me? So the first trade I took was this one right here. So probably 150-minute time frame, so you can actually see it a little bit more better. So this is what I saw, you see me? And the first trade, me I say, yeah man, profits for these was this. Basically, I just saw that. First thing first, I did like in my notes, I said, yo, I kind of miss the entry on this because I wanted to enter from up here, so I'm still like it there turnover. You see me? But then your life up and decide to anybody want to do it. And when I woke up back then, I said, oh, alright. I still entered because it just didn't look like it still a continue down. And it did for some part. And I'm just alright, go back to sleep because I was gonna say I'm slower. But I have like 2 weeks left. So after that, I hit that. But I'm just have to do it for now, secure the spot. So go down and then just call it a day and just spike up back. Like this happened like when I was sleeping, because like I was up waiting on an inch and I entered and then just spike up. Stop me out. There was that. I was gonna re-enter, but then I was following my rule of 1 trade a day. I get all of this right here. So technically I was not wrong, the market just didn't want like a third confirmation, say yo it'll go down, break, make it go and play out a little bit and then go so bam. Same thing me I think it'll go sell off because yo it'll continue upon a downtrend. If you notice, it'll continue on a downtrend. I say alright, continue upon a downtrend, break, go up here and break, come back down. So I say alright, can probably get a little entry and whatever. Go so bam now and it go down and it come back up here, so me a fret, I say when I get stop out and then come back down that profit and then yo bam, it just drop. You see me? Think I don't know this stuff, but so it just drop and then yo there's like all of the mess and then in my sound shop, but it's like the following day basically. So I did put 2 entries on this, but it wasn't like anything major. I think it was like a 10 lot, not 10, a 0.10 and a 0.5. Yeah. So 0.10 and a 0.05. Yeah. And then it sell off, go down, 2 things in the profit. I was going to come out because by then my account was at 270. I'm gonna say, oh, I'm just making one run out. And then I go away, like I went to go work. You see me? Go work by the time reach work and I want the data. Bam! Come back, stopped out, yo, that just messed up the whole of my day. Then basically it's like the same pattern. It's like it goes where I want it to go and then just reverse. I know it's in an uptrend. I'm saying, alright, finally uptrend. Like I'm gonna pick up the uptrend. Go so bam, uptrend. Then it just go and constantly. I was in it, I was going to come out, and then I was like, yo, make it stay. And then wake up, bam, stop me out and all sort of thing. So right now at this point, I know that my predictions oftentimes are correct, you see me? But what is beating me right now is the entries. And I think it's probably because I working and I have to go by a certain time, wake up back for people and work, because internship help secure my job in the future at the bank. You see my fams? So yeah, that's my life right now for the most part. I'm saying no long video. I'm gonna just show you what going on the actual chart, not charts. I'm going to show you actually what's going on my phone. So you're going to see that, and you can get like a perspective of how much or I'm gonna lose. You know. So in total, I'll be like about 20%. I'll be about 15% or loss, 15% down. So I'll probably just use 2% of my account going forward until reach like about 4 bills. Then go 4%, and then yeah, or just 2%. I maintain that 2% strategy for the time being until maybe like year end. I don't know if so be the case. I'll be able to like trade even if it go down to $1. Be able to trade until year done if we use 2% of Tones Law. Just be like I don't know. I don't know. Cause 5% would be 10. So about 5 lot, 0.5 lot. So 5 lot times 40. Me that about 2 months secure. You see me? I know me not lose everything. So we'll go there for the year. But yeah, me really want one long. Fake. Say. So remember say you only can watch the 806 roommate thing on the link down below. Also, right now me dig off go video rental apartment. That video coming also. I have some things coming. You see me? I have some things coming. So yo, gonna just keep calm. You see me? But with that said, yeah, I can't end the video right here because I'm gonna show up on my phone. So yeah, I guess it's an abrupt ending. So you know, after these commercials.
So basically, this all gone, you like, lose this trade, lose this trade, lose this trade. And like, I'm gonna tell you so that the 10 and 50 and 5 are them 2 year, them 2 trade here where I did the 10 and the 5. Yeah. And I end up losing them. Anyways, them 2 year now is like, they wasn't even full trades, it's like legit, me just like enter them and them just come out because yo, it just to me I guess me probably just tired of losing, and that would be the best way if like mitigate some of the losses, and yeah. So that trade never like run fully. But it's a good thing because I end up get stopped out if me just make it stay. And then here is well who's the method? But makes you a bit greater. So yeah. That's it for this today guys. Catch you on next one, please.